Have you ever seen someone cooking a whole lamb in the sand on a tropical beach? Join Chef Ali and me as we prepare an epic beach barbecue, burying not one but 3 whole lambs in a sand oven just hours before 400 people arrive. Ali is the head chef of the TUI Blue Hotel, and this kitchen works for 400 people every day, and they are doing great. I love this kitchen atmosphere. It's bubbling, it's cooking, deep frying, fire, steam. And as Ali is a chef from Iran, I was quite sure that he knows a lot of things about the influences of Zanzibari cuisine and of course what he's cooking today.
The cuisine came from different countries: Iran, Arab, which is Oman.
You're Iranian?
Yes.
So is it something
yes,
that you would say the Persians bring it?
Absolutely. I think some of the villages still are doing the same.
Really?
Yes, I'm sure here also they do still, some of the villages, because they don't have gas, they don't have other facilities, technology, ovens. So this is the best way of cooking for them. I mean, you can cook the fish, chicken, slow cook stew, even the whole goat, lamb. See, even in Arabic traditional way of cooking as well, in Oman, still they are cooking the whole camel under the ground.
Okay, I'm glad he's not cooking a whole camel, but 3 whole lambs in the sand oven, and I'm quite sure that this will taste really amazing. But first, we have to dig the hole.
Fire, smoke, charcoal.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Then bury it in sand.
Yes, we cover it in the sand. But the smoke is important. I need that flavor of smoking.
For the eyes, for your eyes.
For my eyes and my body. I smoked already. Fuck.
Well, this hole in the sand, I am really not sure if this is gonna work out. So, and you know, the timing and everything, and otherwise 400 people are waiting, hungry, they're getting angry, maybe. And imagine yourself, you have to turn a huge beach with lots of sun-hungry people into a barbecue restaurant in just 2 hours. And then the time was ready to check if the lamb turned out really good. But first, I wanted to know the exact recipe from Ali.
Actually, with a lot of spices, because Zanzibar has a lot of
Spice Island.
Spice Island, of course. So, but also I try to get the advantage to combine with other nationality. We have a lot of saffron back home, Iran. So I inject the saffron water in the meat. So in the marination, spices what I use is a ginger, fresh garlic, fresh turmeric, which we have in Zanzibar, cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger powder again, our homemade yogurt, and then when we put in the container, then before that we cut the fat, the tail fat. We slice it off.
Ah, okay, the tail fat from the sheep.
Slice it off because the whole sheep is sitting on the base container. So on the top of that, the fillet part of it, I cover it with the fat. So it will not get dry.
So the fillet and the back
get dry because of heat. Yes.
Okay. Ah, wow.
So that fat will melt actually, and then give more taste and flavor to the meat.
Are you digging for your Persian roots?
Yes, you can see that. Hey,
wow.
So slippers, this is yours.
That looks so crazy. How much time we have left? Are we in trouble?
No.
When the guests are coming? 400 people, you said?
Yeah, 400 people. Man, have a look. Look at this. Look at this.
So that was the moment, you know. Everybody was there, everybody was so excited, and then happy faces, juicy lamb, dinner can start.
This is so damn good, huh?
I told you. You never can have experience
This
again.
is Zanzibari lamb, Alibaba style. Congratulations. This is
So, are you ready to taste Zanzibar yourself? Then book your stay with TUI Blue Hotels and dive into the real, authentic cuisine of this beautiful island on your next vacation. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get some more exciting travel footage.